And welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much ukuthi ungene ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ukulike nokushare as well. So asikhulumeni ngoNgizwe Mchunu when it comes to this particular video. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi ubhuti uNgizwe Mchunu useyitholile imoto yakhe liyana yakwa JAC Motors. Remember ukuthi kwaba nomsindo lapha na between uJulius Malema noNgizwe Mchunu ngalesi sikhathi befuna ukucampaign lapha ngase KZN. uNgizwe Mchunu engabafuni nokubafuna abafethu ethi uzoza namashangana wakho ngapho something like that ethi amaZulu muwafuna uzowacela kithi. I think EFF kwakumele yo campaign lapho ngase Moses Mabhida Stadium KZN something like that because babezwa nomcimbi khona ila uNgizwe wayebalwisa ethi ngeke kwaZulu amaZulu uzowacela kithi uzoza namashangana wakho ngapho something like that. Washo nje lezo nkulumo ezinjalo wagcina sebizwa ngetribalist uNgizwe Mchunu. So I think i-partnership yakhe ne-JAC Motors, that dealership ended because abakwa JAC Motors bagcina sebeqhalanisa noNgizwe Mchunu waluza ke leyo dealership something like that bamthathela imoto na uyakhumbula lesi story. I'm sure uyakhumbula bafethu ke kodwa bene ndibona ilana kazi moja lubhalwe ngesingisi kodwa ke kuthi uNgizwe Mchunu slowly bouncing back. Siyambona laphana eseyitholile ke imoto yakwa JAC Motors entsha something like that ibhaliwe Ngizwe Mchunu, president of the Bhinqa Nation, okusho khona ukuthi sebebuye balungisa izinto uNgizwe Mchunu nabakwa JAC Motors. Siyambongela kakhulu, congratulations to president wamabhinqa. Ngizwe Mchunu has received a new car from JAC Motors. Isn't that nice? Kusho ukuthi sekulungisiwe konke okwaku ngalungile. So now lightning has struck twice in the same place for controversial media personality Ngizwe Mchunu. Lona daba olubhaliwe by uTheo Nyaba bafethu athena the controversial president of the Bhinqa Nation Mchunu has regained his sponsorship with a dealership in Natal after it was withdrawn last year due to tribalism allegations made by the EFF. Now so yesterday Mchunu renewed his relationship with abakwa JAC Motors in Port Shepstone, KwaZulu-Natal, when the car dealership gave him a brand new car. And excited Mchunu told Moja that the brand new SUV branded with his name is not a sponsorship but a personal car. Last year they sponsored me with a car, but now our relationship has been taken a notch up. Now this time around they gifted me with this brand new car which comes with a petrol card and I'll use for traveling purposes. Kwashoke uNgizwe Mchunu. Now the dealership ended its sponsorship of the former Ukhozi FM presenter a year ago after Mchunu made public utterances that the EFF leader Julius Malema was not welcome to host his party's election manifesto at the Moses Mabhida Stadium in December last year. He also used derogatory words referring to Limpopo people in KZN njengoba sengishilo ukuthi YDA uzana mashangana ka 1010, you know what I mean. This caused an uproar that forced the dealership to distance themselves from him and even issued a statement distancing themselves from his utterances. Soon after that, the dealership issued a statement condemning the utterances made by Ngizwe Mchunu. The statement read, "We have decided to terminate our working relationship with Mr. Ngizwe Mchunu and recall our vehicle from his possession. Every citizen has a right to live anywhere in South Africa and to freely commute across provinces and without prior approval." That was the statement. After the social media uproar, Mchunu issued a formal apology for the remarks that he made and said he was not a tribalistic person and that he respected all the tribes in the country. So the car has not issued a statement explaining their change of heart, but kuyabonakala ukuthi sebeyilungisile benongizwe Mchunu. Siyambona nje lapha nephakathi kwemoto yonke engathi intsha nje le moto yinhle something like that. Siyambongela bafethu usiye wayithola ke imoto yakhe back ubhuti uNgizwe Mchunu. Congratulations to that. And yeah, you guys kuthi okonakele okoniwa ngomlomo admin kubuye kulungiswe ngomlomo. So sezilungisiwe izinto babuyiselana imoto neJAC Motors. Ujabulile ubhuti uNgizwe Mchunu. So uthi relationship yabo ke manje ingcono kunakuqala umesho. Siyambongela bafethu, asibonge ukubona ke izinto zimhambela kahle uNgizwe Mchunu. Thank you so much for watching the video ke usuzosho ke uvola ka comment section about uNgizwe elungisa izinto nabakwa JAC Motors. Sizobe sibonana futhi kwenye video ezolandela. Bye.